Welcome students and parents. It's a great pleasure and privilege for me to address you virtually along with your principal for a special program launched by Presidency University to honor the great educationists of the country. Your principal has been in the forefront of educational development not only in the city of Bangalore or in the state of Karnataka, but he has spread light of education all over the country. So it's a special occasion for us to meet him and greet him and also offer our obeisance to him as a guru. Through this program of Guru Samarpane, we want to acknowledge his contribution to the world of education. Now a few words about Presidency University. The university has been set up by Presidency Group of Institutions, which has been in the forefront of education over 4 decades. Presidency University offers cutting-edge programs in the disciplines of engineering, MBA, law, as well as other degree programs. We offer futuristic career options to our students to ensure that they have a great career ahead. At our university, we offer an excellent mix of academics as well as personality development programs and sports programs so that each of our students turn out to be great personalities. And when they complete their program in the university and come out into the job market, the potential employers look forward to them to come on board and start offering their services. So with these few words, I now request your principal to give his opinion. Over to you, sir.
Namaste, my name is Karthik Krishnan B, the principal of Surana Independent PU College located at Peenya. It's a great honor for me to be recognized by the Presidency University as a part of their Guru Samarpane initiative. I would really say this is an amazing initiative because during these tough times, recognizing the work put in by the teachers and the college management, school managements and the heads of institutions is really commendable. Transitioning from the traditional pen to chalk to board to a laptop and a wireless mouse and a mic is something that's been really difficult for the teachers out there because nobody ever thought that we would face a day where we would have to speak to our children in front of the cameras. This has been a real tough time, but at the same time, necessity is the mother of invention. And I'm really happy that the entire system, the teaching fraternity, the entire institutions have really worked together to ensure that COVID times do not last. So Presidency University coming up with an initiative like this to honor people who have been in the forefront of ensuring that learning never stops is highly commendable. I congratulate the entire management at the Presidency University for giving me this opportunity to address all of you in this initiative. Thank you so much. I hope this motivation will really push me a bit more to achieve our goals and vision set for our institution. Thank you so much, Presidency. All the very best.